We're the Paulaps, Jeff, Denise, and we're the Chases.
Jeff and Renee.
And this is
Paulaps Chase Life.
And we hope that you enjoy our show and have a great time watching it. And make sure to subscribe at the end. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is Tuesday, April 9th.
We are heading to we're landing in Phoenix and
Getting
then
in
we're
the car and
driving to Las Vegas. And we're staying there 2 nights and then we are going to the Grand Canyon, which we're really excited about.
Got 3 days in Flagstaff.
You can see the mountain outside the airport.
I didn't get the view of Las Vegas.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Oh, there's mountains on this side too. We're in Phoenix, Arizona. We are here.
Oh, there's my first cactus I saw
Yeah.
inside. This is just so wonderful.
Yeah. Really is.
Very thing is just diverse environments this year. Utah was one thing. This is completely different. Hopefully this summer when we take our other tour, we'll see something even more diverse.
Yep. It's very exciting.
It's very exciting.
Still in Arizona at this point
Yeah.
as we're driving to Nevada.
We're Phoenix is not quite in the middle of the state, a little north of the middle of the state. Gotta head all the way up into Nevada. The ultimate thing I would want to see in Arizona, it would top everything. I think it would be the top the Grand Canyon. If I could see a coyote chasing a roadrunner. Beep beep. I think that would stop everything. Going through Cottonwood Canyon.
Okay.
Here's a popping.
Yeah, they are popping.
We are on the way to Vegas, and we stopped at get some restrooms. And
The view is
really nice. Yeah, the sun's setting on the mountains back there. It's really nice here.
Is it about an hour to go?
About an hour to go, about 60 miles. We're gonna get there. Eventually.
There's a big valley there. I don't know if you can see it. The sunset is really pretty. We entered Nevada, but we missed the sign because it snuck up on us. It looks like the city of Las Vegas. Lots of lights. That's our hotel. Cosmopolitan. I think it goes
Oh, there's the fountain.
Oh. I know, they upgraded our room and it is fantastic. We're on the 57th floor. And look at this room. Look at this bathroom and tub. And they upgraded, they said the terrace. Look at this view! Oh my goodness, no way! This is incredible. All right, I can't drop my phone.
Yeah, you got a good barrier here.
Yeah. That is amazing. Oh, look at the fountain.
Here, let me do it. You got it? Yeah, you got it.
Wow.
We can sit here and enjoy.
Yeah.
Let's get it close.
It's a soaking tub and shower. This bathroom is huge.
Yeah, a shower and a bed that looks out onto the city at the window there.
Oh, does it? I didn't even. Oh, yeah.
Two sitting rooms, two TVs. Very nice.
And it even has a second bathroom. Pretty cool.
There's Zuma.
We're in the elevator.
Third floor. Good morning. It is 10 o'clock on Wednesday, April 10th. And we're in Vegas. And this is how beautiful it looks out here. Beautiful mountains. Oh my goodness, there's even snow on the mountains up there. Absolutely stunning. I'm standing in the tub, and this is our view. Now, let's see what it looks like when I'm sitting in the tub. Yep, this is the view. I'm sitting in the tub. It's April 10th, and in celebration of Twinkie's birthday, I was so Twinkie. Remember Twinkie Bite. So, sad day, but we had lots of fun with her. Almost 17 years with Twinkie. So,
Happy birthday, Twinkie.
happy birthday, Twinkie.
We miss you. We love you. Awesome.
It's as long as our porch. It's not quite as wide, but it's as long as our porch back home.
Easy.
All right, there we are. That's how far.
It goes all the way back here.
I know. It's unbelievable.
Here we are. We're about ready to go see the sights. Looking forward to it.
our hotel, the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas.
There's the two towers of the Cosmopolitan. We're in the second building. So we're
Great. The Bellagio, our hotel, the Cosmopolitan, and then the Paris. It's a great angle right here. You see a lot of.
and then over here is Caesars.
Yep.
It's now inside Caesars. Walking around and seeing what to see. Heading to the food court.
Ponto Wine Bar by Giada.
And there she is, looking over our shoulder as we eat.
And I have olives.
I have Italian Gia Bettini Panini.
That's a mouthful.
We're rookies.
All right, Willie. Willie's got to be on.
All right,
Go.
big money, big money.
Hit a bunch of machine.
All right.
Oh, nothing. We lost $4. All right. That's enough. Moving on. It's Celine Dion. My favorite.
We're now in the Bellagio. We're going to try our luck at this. You won. You're back to $1.50. Game over.
Big money.
Oh, you won. Oh, you doubled it plus. 1075. Nice. We're in the Bellagio. This is the conservatory where they do themes. I think every
Couple months, I
couple
think.
months they change it up, and it's beautiful. The tea and tulips, I think, is good.
Very good for spring.
We're not sure if we're in this tower. I guess we can ask.
Yeah, we're in
Or
this
this tower.
I'm wrong.
Okay. Paris Hotel. Really pretty.
Here, keep walking.
Where are we?
Zuma and the Cosmopolitan Hotel, Las Vegas. And I have no idea what I got now. I can't remember. Yeah, it looks good, but I don't remember what I got. What'd you get? The usual?
Avocado. My usual. It's really pretty and the lights change color. It looks really nice. You can see the pyramid. I don't know what that's called, but then you can see the New York.
It's so pretty.
So pretty. The beautiful fountain at the Bellagio. We were gonna walk down and take pictures, and then we're like, oh, let's do it from the balcony. Saved us a walk, and look how pretty! And you can hear the rumble. It's so loud. Beautiful.
It is. That's just right.
Yeah.
All right, let's go watch some Americans that have talent.
Yes. Oh, it looks so pretty with all the lights. We're at the Luxor Hotel to see the America's Got Talent variety show kind of thing. And we didn't realize the Luxor was...
we didn't put two and two together.
the pyramid. So we're excited because we saw it from our room and thought,
Right.
oh, we didn't walk that far to
Oh.
go see it, and now here we are. So worked out perfect.
Yep. So let's go see if we got any talent in this country. There's the Sphinx, side of the Sphinx. There's Denise. And then there's the hotel itself. Very cool.
The Luxor Egyptian beads.
Good morning. It is, let's see, Thursday, April 11th, about 6:45 a.m. And this is Vegas. Early in the morning. Temperature's real nice. Beautiful out here.
Goodbye, Las Vegas. We'll miss this beautiful view. We had fun, but now off to the Grand Canyon.
On to the next adventure.
Yeah. Heading to Hoover Dam.
Tree drop off there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. The big bridge. Yes. Wow. Bridge is something. Big archway there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where you walk up to that overlook. That's where that park is for.
Mm.
You would have never made that.
No. There's a lot of steps.
Wow. I'm glad we came here.
Mm-hmm.
I was debating about it, but this is definitely worth the stop.
Yeah.
Freely around the job site, up ladders over catwalks and through tunnels. He even rode the open air elevator.
That's so cool.
And Bach up the operator ready to when he wanted to get off.
Love it.
There's the lake. Yeah, I want to get a picture of the sign there. You can see how high the lake used to be. We are now here at
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. And there's Lake Lee behind us.
We're gonna try and go across the street.
Yeah.
See
No, I think we're still in Nevada.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Yeah, there's Arizona time there.
You're on the other side now. I want to see we're down. Here we are, Arizona.